Hello guys, I'm gonna make a video with my cousin. Say hi to YouTube. And today I'm on the tram. Okay, we're going now. I have an 80% chance I'm gonna be scared of this.
This is not really that bad.
That is so I'm with my auntie, oh no, I'm gonna be scared of this. Hell no. I'm terrified. Oh no. I am terrified. Guys, hopefully this does not crash. I'm still scared of this. Yeah, I told you not to look down.
I'm kidding. It's not that bad. I'm kind of scared for the dropping. Oh shoot.
Oh crap. Oh crap. Hell no. Hell no. Hell no. Hell no. Hell no.
Okay, we're fine.
Oh hell no.
You're overreacting. Behind it, it's not that bad.
I'm scared of roller coasters, but this is what. This makes me feel like I'm in a roller coaster. Remember the Nickelodeon roller coaster? That was worse.
Six Flags biggest roller coaster. It was wild.
Oh no, this part's gonna be scary. It's gonna be the drop.
It's not even going fast.
Oh no.
It's just a little bit wobbly.
And oh.
It's not bad.
Alright, well I'm gonna go now. I'll make another video with my cousin later. Bye. Please like and subscribe.